For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of dealing with long, tangled beards and unruly body hair? Have you struggled to find a grooming tool that can handle multiple tasks efficiently? Well, I've got some good news for you. I'm about to share with you my thoughts on the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000, and I'll show you why it's been making waves in the world of grooming, /N. But here's what surprised me when I first started using this product. Its versatility. This thing can do just about everything: trim, edge, detail, and even shave. Yes, you read that right, shave. The Multigroom 7000 comes with a built-in foil shaver that's perfect for getting rid of unwanted hair on your face or neck, /N. Therefore, I was expecting to be blown away by its performance. And let me tell you, it didn't disappoint. With this baby in my hand, I was able to tackle even the toughest grooming tasks with ease. Whether I needed to tidy up my beard or edge my sideburns, the Multigroom 7000 delivered every time, /N. But what really impressed me was its comfort level. The ergonomic design and contoured grip made it feel like an extension of my hand, rather than a tool that I was using. And with its lightweight construction, I could use it for extended periods without feeling fatigued. Therefore, you might be wondering how this product compares to others on the market. Well, let me put it this way: the Multigroom 7000 is in a league of its own when it comes to versatility and ease of use, /N. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's dive deeper into what makes this product so special. In my next segment, I'll be sharing with you 3 reasons why you need to try this Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 for yourself. But first, a quick word about the design. The Multigroom 7000 boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic that's sure to turn heads in any bathroom. Its stainless steel trimmer is durable and long-lasting, while its high-quality blades are designed to reduce drag and minimize skin irritation, /N. Therefore, you're probably wondering what makes this product so unique. Well, I'd say it's all about the features. The Multigroom 7000 comes with a range of attachments that cater to different grooming needs, from detail trimmers for mustaches and beards to longer blades for tackling body hair, /N. But here's where things get really interesting. This product is also equipped with advanced technology like the Senso Touch 2D Foils shaver system. This allows for more precise control over shaving, reducing the risk of ingrown hairs and razor burn. Therefore, I'm confident that you'll be impressed by its performance. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some of the key benefits. Versatility. The Multigroom 7000 can handle multiple grooming tasks with ease. Comfort. Its ergonomic design and contoured grip make it a breeze to use. Durability. With high-quality blades and a stainless steel trimmer, this product is built to last, /N. But what about the nitty-gritty details? How does this product really perform in terms of grooming quality? Well, I've put together some results from my own testing, and let me tell you, they speak for themselves. Therefore, it's time to share with you 3 reasons why you need to try this Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. Stay tuned. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get down to business. Here are the top 3 reasons why I believe the Multigroom 7000 is a game changer. 1. Unmatched versatility. The Multigroom 7000 comes with a range of attachments and features that make it easy to tackle any grooming task. From trimming beards to shaving body hair, this product does it all. But here's what I love about this feature. The detachable trimmer head can be replaced easily, reducing maintenance time and costs, /N. Therefore, you'll save money in the long run with less frequent replacements needed. And let's not forget about the convenience factor: no more switching between multiple tools or dealing with bulky equipment. 2. Advanced technology. The Senso Touch 2D Foils shaver system is a major game changer when it comes to shaving performance. This advanced technology reduces the risk of ingrown hairs and razor burn, making for a smoother shave every time. But what really impressed me was how easy it was to use, even for those who are new to shaving or haven't used an electric shaver before, /N. Therefore, you'll be able to achieve professional-looking results at home without breaking the bank. And with its advanced design, this product is sure to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to innovation in grooming technology. 3. Ease of use, ***. Let's face it, some grooming tools can be a real pain to use, especially for those who are new to shaving or trimming, but not the Multigroom 7000. But here's what I love about this feature. Its ergonomic design and contoured grip make it feel like an extension of your hand, rather than a tool that you're using, /N. Therefore, you'll be able to use it for extended periods without feeling fatigued. And with its intuitive interface, even beginners can master the art of grooming in no time. In conclusion, I truly believe that the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is a must-have for anyone who's serious about their grooming routine. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current tools or start fresh, this product offers unparalleled versatility and performance. Therefore, don't wait any longer. Get your hands on one today. For the best price, click the link in the description.